Hey guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to be showing you an extension in which you can improve your grammar on Google Chrome, Windows, iPhone, and iPad. So let's get started. So of course I'm going to download it this is the Chrome version. You could also download it on Windows, just like I said, as well as iOS and iPadOS. Okay, so once you download the Google and the Chrome Web Store, or if you have Windows again, there's another way to install it. Let's say I'm going to click on the G. So this is the home screen, the first thing that shows up when you click on the G. Of course, there is a quick settings. So check for registrations on new tab. So I'm currently opening a new tab here. So of course, it's going to show me the grammatical suggestions. Um, Obviously, leave that on. Show definitions and synonyms via double click. So I'm going to show you the little a little feature in Grammarly that you could show definitions and synonyms via double click. So let's say, for example, I will type earth and then double click on it. Hang on a minute, double click on it, and there we go. It's showing me synonyms as well as three definitions. And there we go, synonyms. Planet, for example, click on planet. There we go. Let's change it to planet. It could also change it to other words. So yeah, there we go. That's one of the uses of Grammarly. Of course, there's another use. So, for example, I'm going to type this video is, and then I'm going to type demonstration. I'm going to type it wrong. So there we go, like that. As you can see, we got a little Grammarly logo right here that's searching for the mistakes. So I did do one mistake, so I'm going to hover around it. It says demonstrates. So this video is actually that's the wrong thing. Let me type it like that again. Hopefully it finds the issue again because I wanted to say demonstration. There we go. So as you can see, it's telling me correct your spelling demonstration turns to demonstrate. So this video, I'm going to get rid of the is. This video demonstrates. So there we go. It's much better, way more readable, a little more better as well grammatically, obviously. I mean, that's the purpose of the whole entire Chrome extension itself. Going back again to the extension, we're going to see another setting. Correct spelling automatically. Of course, it's going to correct your spelling automatically. I don't need to explain the phrase. Of course, you're going to leave that on. That's probably one of the most important ones. And show phrasal predictions. This is in beta, so it's not fully, it's not fully released. So I recommend just to leaving it on. Maybe off. It's up to you. But all the rest, leave it on because it's important. And here you got the question of do what kind of English do I write? So I selected American English. You could always go British, Australian English, Canadian English, whatever you want. And of course, here it tells you Grammarly has been correct in your text since November 23rd, 2020. So it's basically telling me the day that I've installed Grammarly. And this is actually the free version, not the premium version. So and the premium version has some advanced fixes and other things. And here you can create a new document as well as my Grammarly, which we'll talk about right about now. So once you actually click here and go to Grammarly for Chrome, it's going to lead you to this page right here, which is basically the home screen of the Grammarly app right here. So obviously, the first thing you're going to see is my Grammarly page, which has the create a new document. You can also upload a new document and a demo document. So this comes with it the first moment you download the Chrome extension or the app itself, you will find this demo document right here. So of course we got the trash, which is basically for example, create a new document. I'm going to delete this one, for example. It's going to show on the trash, and it's going to be permanently deleted after 30 days. So 30 days after it's been deleted, it's going to be permanently gone. We want to restore it or fully delete it. I'm going to restore it. And here we got the account. I'm not going to get into that because it has private information. And here we got the Grammarly app. So just like I said at the beginning of the video, you can download it for Windows, for Chrome, for iPhone and iPad, and for Android. I forgot to say that. Um, so yeah, and there is the premium version as well. So this is a very optional thing. You don't you can maybe just need this stuff. You don't need maybe this or this. But it's up to you. Do you want to go free or do you want to go premium or do you want to go full business like max? It's up to you again. And you can also try it for free. For the premium version, you could try it for free. And for the business, I don't think you're going to try it for free for that one. Here you got the features on each plan. So the running suggestions, as well as the security, the team features, so many other things. So it's basically comparing these plans. So yeah, there we go. These are all. This is all. These are all the features of Grammarly and the primary features of it. So, I'm just using the free version here. Again, you could always just upgrade. So thank you guys for watching. And see you next time.